Great Western Railway service to Portsmouth Harbour. 150-263. This is now part 3 of Trains at St Denis, and welcome to the latest video from the South Westerner. And as you might guess, we're at St Denis. Yeah. Now approaching is the 10:31 South Western Railway service to Salisbury via Southampton Central. 158880. Now departing is the 10:31 South Western Railway service to Salisbury via Southampton Central. South Western Railway service to Salisbury via Southampton Central. Now approaching is the 10:34 South Western Railway service to Southampton Central, 450-033. To Southampton Central, and now passing through is the 10:35 Southern service to Brighton. Through 77451 Southern service to Brighton, and this is a South Western Railway service to Southampton Central. Now departing is the 10:35 South Western Railway service to Southampton Central. There's another. And now passing through is the 10:36 South Western Railway service to London Waterloo, 444037. And 444007. South Western Railway service to London Waterloo. Oh no. Now passing through is the 10:39 cross-country service to Bournemouth. (221-035) cross-country service to Bournemouth. Now passing through is the 10:40 Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central. What a nice livery the Great Western Railway is. 158798 Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central. Now also approaching is the lovely livery of the South Western Railway, 158887. What a nice livery. Now departing is the 10:41, beautiful SWR livery going to Chelmsford. Off it goes. 158887 with the beautiful SWR livery going off to Chelmsford. Now passing through is the 1047 South Western Railway service to Weymouth. 444033. And 444027. South Western Railway service to Weymouth, I believe. Now approaching is the 1049 South Western Railway service to Portsmouth and Southsea. 450033. Now departing is the 1049 South Western Railway service to Portsmouth and Southsea. Calling at Bitton, Wolston, Sholing, Netley, Hamble, Basildon, Swanwick, Fareham, Porchester, Cosham, Hilsea, Fratton and Portsmouth and Southsea. 450033. South Western Railway service to Portsmouth and Southsea.
Wait.
As you can see the level crossing go down at St Denny's. Sorry, it's just focusing. There will be a train going through the level crossing very soon. And just pause it till it comes. The 1056 Southern service to Southampton Central. As you can see, the level crossing barriers are coming up. And that was the 1056 Southern service to Southampton Central. Now passing through is the 1058 South Western Railway service to London Waterloo. 450020. South Western Railway service to London Waterloo, and you got a bit flanged there with the train. Now passing through is the 1102 Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central. And what another nice livery from Great Western Railway. 158951 Great Western Railway to Cardiff Central. Now passing through is the 1108 South Western Railway service to London Waterloo. 444044 and 444023. South Western Railway service to London Waterloo. Now passing through is the 1108 South Western Railway service to Poole. 444044 South Bristol Murray service to Poole, and the next station is Southampton Central.
So, do you know what we need now?
We're back at the level crossing. Train's gonna come over in a second. I'll just play it when the train comes. Nah, forgot. But there's a train. I think there must be one in the southwestern. Here we go. Right, move my bag out of the way quickly. And there's also a train coming this way. Sorry about that, guys. I just forgot to pause it again. Now passing through is the 11:13 cross-country service to Bournemouth.